Hey guys, what's up? Shane here from AwakeFX. I want to welcome you to this trading video. Thanks very much for clicking. Now in this one, I wanted to revisit the ICT silver bullet trading strategy. And it truly is a fantastic strategy that I use as part of my own trading myself. Now I've been trading over 10 years. I'm a full-time trader based in Ireland and I enjoy sharing trading related content on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and I appreciate each and every one of you who's subscribed to date. So in this one anyway, we're going to have a look at the silver bullet trading strategy. I'm going to make it super clear. I'm going to show you a euro-dollar trade from today. I can't make it any more clear than this. It's a beautiful ICT silver bullet trade, and I'm going to show you exactly why I entered, where it was, and why it was a great trade. So let's have a look at the charts. Now guys, this is a chart of the 6E futures market. It's the euro dollar. So I'm going to show you the setup on the 6E futures, euro dollar, and I'm also going to show you the exact same trade on the EUR USD. For those of you who trade Forex, who don't trade futures. So the both markets, the 6E futures and the euro dollar, they move very much in the same way. So whatever setup appears on the 6E futures can also be visible on the EUR USD. So I'm in bar replay mode. I just want to show you a trade that I took here earlier today. Tuesday is one of my favorite days of the week. So today is Tuesday, the 26th of September, 2023. So have a look at your charts on that date. Now, this is a 15-minute chart of the 6E futures market, okay? And you can see here, the price has kind of been moving sideways here. So if you are a subscriber to the channel already, you know that I love to trade the European Open. So this vertical line here denotes the 3 a.m. New York time, which is 8 a.m. here in Ireland and the UK. Okay, so I like to take my trades after that time. So this morning, what I did was I marked up my buy side and my sell side liquidity areas. So where is my sell side area? So sell side is a swing low point if you're looking to the left of price, which is obviously the swing low over here as I see it. So I marked that up as sell side, okay? Why is it called sell side? Because there's a lot of sell stop orders here below the market, okay? Now price has been moving up in this kind of sideways range here. So I will mark up the buy side level as an area above the market where there's a swing high. Okay, now this swing high to me is the most significant on this 15-minute chart. We'll call that buy side. Why? Because we had this swing low. The highest point here where price went was the swing high here. So from this swing low, the highest point was this swing high. Okay, within here we're inside of that range. Okay, so this is why for me this high and this low is quite significant. So I've marked my buy side on my sell side level. So what I was waiting to see here this morning is, will the buy side level be taken and we could potentially have a short for a move lower, or will the sell side level be taken after 3 a.m. and maybe give me an opportunity for a long trade? So let's play this bar by bar what happened. So this is the 15-minute chart. Actually, firstly, I'll jump down to a 1-minute chart, okay? So if we look at this in the 1 minute, same information, okay? We have our buy side level, we have our sell side level below market. So I'm going to zoom right in here where price is. So what happened this morning, the 26th of September, 2023? Let's have a look. So price was moving. This is a 1-minute chart, remember? And I have to wait until after 3 a.m. before I take a trade. Now, this is very significant. We had a break of the sell side before we had a break of the buy side. Okay, so if you zoom in here, you can see that. Price was moving down prior to 3 a.m. New York time into the sell side area. Okay, so from this swing high, we started making these lower highs, lower lows, okay? So at this point, I'm not interested in taking a trade until price potentially, because I don't know yet, potentially comes up above the sell side zone, because this is the area where we're taking out liquidity. And if price comes up into this area here and structure is broken, meaning that if price takes out a previous lower high, something like this, then I would be interested in taking a trade potentially higher. Does this happen? So let's see. So it's exactly 8 a.m. here. Let's move forward, see what happened. Price continued lower. I was just looking at the charts, nothing to do. Then we had this move higher. So we have our lower highs, lower lows, moving down, taking a sweep of the sell side area here. We've made a little high here. Let's change the color of that line to purple, make it a little bit more visible for you guys. There we go. Okay. So still I'm waiting. What do I do? There's nothing to do here yet. We are still in this downtrend. If we've taken out sell side liquidity, I'm looking for a change in trend from short to long. So let's see what happened. Price continued lower. Okay. So price moved from this swing high here lower. Still nothing to do, guys. So you wait. Aha. This is very significant. Why is this significant? Because we're after breaking structure. Okay, we've had a market structure shift here right now. From this low, we've broken this previous high. So now I am looking for a long. So now we've set the stage for a potential long. Why? Because we had a break in market structure here. So what else do you see? Well, we need to find a fair value gap as part of the silver bullet strategy. So there is a fair value gap between here and here. Can you see that? Between this candle's low and this candle's high, there's this big fair value gap here. So then I'm looking for a long trade. When you're looking to go long, I'll put on my long risk management tool here. I would be entering just in that fair value gap there. Okay. And I would be sticking, let's say, a 10 pip stop in it. And if you guys who follow me already or subscribed, thanks very much. You know that I like to use a 10 pip stop, 20 pip target, keeping it nice and simple. Okay. So there we are, risking 10 pips to make 20 pips. We enter in the fair value gap. What happened then? We get filled on this candle here inside the fair value gap. That is the silver bullet entry. Now, you may ask, well, there was a fair value gap here on the left. Okay, that was the first fair value gap there after 3 a.m. Here, let me mark that up. There was a previous fair value gap. So why is this fair value gap not important? It's not important because we were already still in this downtrend when it formed. Okay, there was a fair value gap here, but we were still in a downtrend, so it doesn't matter. It's when we change to an uptrend, then we hunt a fair value gap. And we enter just a tick in here, okay? And that's the trade. That is the silver bullet trade. How clear is that, folks? That is it. There is the entry. Okay. Now let's see how it worked out. We zoom back here. First of all, where's your target? If I jump to that 5-minute chart, our target is the buy side above the market. Price moved below sell side. We had our liquidity sweep, check number 1. Number 2, we had a market structure shift on the 1-minute chart. Check mark number 2, market structure shift. Number 3, we had the fair value gap, check mark 3. Number 4, it's between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. New York time, okay? And number 5, we can see where our drawn liquidity is, which is above market. Okay, which is the opposing, opposite buy-side liquidity area. So all the tick boxes are there for me, folks. So let's see what happened, okay? So we move forward. Price moves up. Do we hit our target? Boom. Yes, we do. Okay, so we get our 20 pips. Okay, I wasn't even aiming for the buy side. I just want to get 20 pips. So I was out at this point here. But the buy side liquidity above, that's the end target of this trade. So that, my friends, is the silver bullet trade in a nutshell. Now, for you guys who trade the EUR USD, the euro dollar, okay, on Forex, let me show you the exact same trade. So we'll jump from the 6E futures here to Forex. EUR USD, boom. So here's the 15-minute chart this morning of the EUR USD. We'll mark up 3 a.m. This is the 3 a.m. level, after which we trade. The buy side and sell side, we'll mark it up. Here was the buy side, above market. Buy side, boom. Sell side was below market at this point here. This is prior to 3 a.m. Okay, we'll zoom to a 1-minute chart. We'll go back here. I'll just show you what happened after 3 a.m. Same thing, folks. So this is the EUR USD, euro dollar, Forex chart. We had price doing the exact same thing. Price was coming down into the sell side. We broke sell side here. Price moved up. Lower low, and market structure shift right here. Fair value gap was created between here and here. There was the entry. Long. Enter long. 10 pip stop. 20 pip target. Boom. You could have even put your stop at the lows here, really, but you know, I like to put a 10 pip stop on this. 10 pip stop. 20 pip target. Zoop. There's a 20 pip target. So entering here, stop below. You can see we hit our buy side on the EUR USD. We continued a bit further and you get out of the trade. Price, you know, it went a good bit higher. However, we're get in, get out and get done. So guys, that's the silver bullet trade. Hope you enjoyed the lesson and make sure to subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss out on future trading videos just like this one. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.